Ish, esekuhlwile umsombuluko mhla 27 July 2026 na kanjani ke nganza kwethu ngithi ke siphuma lapha eRichards Bay ukuthi ke lapha siyolwa nesimo sabasebenzi ngomhlukumezeka kwabo enkampanini abayisebenzelayo engaphansi kwa Transnet. Siyathemba ke ukuthi umlayezo usudlulisile uzozwakala. Njoba ngikhuluma ke nje lezi ndaba ngikhuluma lezi ndaba ngokukhulu ukujabula ukuthi emveni kokumasha kwethu isikhathi eside kangaka 1000 marches across South Africa akadenzeka ekwazi wafika umhla ka30 owabekwa njengelanga futhi ke elungumncamla juqu futhi likhuthaza ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe abangenamaphepha. Sikuthokozelile kakhulu lokho futhi manje sekuthele ithelo ngoba iqiniso limile as much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa, iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation, limelight, relevancy and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other. So this is the position I'm taking. I'm on social media platforms. They may be there to say whatever they want to say because of the likes, because of the relevancies, because of abantu befuna ukuthi bahole egcina ngosuku ama-views. So la i-country is not about views. I-country is a very serious matter. We are serious about reparating our own country called South Africa. Njengamanje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi kwi-Gauteng province uhulumeni wakhona has responded. Ulokhunjana ucommissioner was Gauteng esasinaye simasha eHebrew simasha eUval responded. He's called me ukuthi naye no station manager wase-Hebrew no station manager wase-UVAL ney'nduna zase-UVAL sengikhulumile nazo nezase-Hebrew nezase-GP nezase-Gauteng yonkana jikelele esasinazo ngomhla ka30 ngithi bafowethu asipheleleni ngolwesithathu ngo9 siyomukela imbali zethu siyomukela ama-result okumasha kwethu ngoba we can't march forever but we must march for the reason now and for the change, not for complainants, but we march to the greener pastures. The greener pastures is to receive ukuthi after we have placed a memorandum uhulumeni wase-Gauteng uthini. Ngiyawubonga to respond ngolesithathu ngo9 ekuseni zonke induna esasinazo ngomhla ka30 esasigijima nazo estradini sasigijima nazo ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene nazo zonke iy'nsizwa zama-security esasinazo eGoli ngomhla ka30 esathembisana ukuthi bafana bakithi siyofala ndawonye. Siyacela ukuthi sibe khona ngolwesithathu siyozwa ukuthi ngempela uresponde uthini kithina ucommissioner uresponda kuthina ustation manager wase-Hebrew uresponde uthini ustation manager wase-UVAL ngaso sonke isigameko sase-Gauteng sokuthi kube nama-illegal occupants emabhilidini kube nama-drugs ko-Hebrew kube ne-prostitutions ko-Hebrew nako-UVAL yonke indawo koGoli ko-Sunnyside. So into enjengaleyo now isifikile njengongizwa umlando wamchunu as a normal citizen of South Africa. I'm here to declare that I will be the part of that because imina kuphela owayekhona kuma-leaders akhona senior eGauteng ngomhla ka30 imina futhi ozobe khona ekuthenini ngikwazi ukuyo receive i-respond evela ku-station commander kanye no-commissioner ne-Gauteng province as a whole ukuthi reactor ethini kulesimo ke esikhala ngaso si-country si-South Africa singabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uPanyaza ukuthi ubuholi bakho bume ngalendlela obume ngayo futhi nawe uzame kunzima kunjalo ukuthi uhlakule isimo siye phambili. Namanje ke siya encourage ukuthi all other provinces noba umuntu siyambona naye uyakwazi ukuthi a-react entweni enjengalezi sikhala ngazo si-country si-South Africa. Siyakubonga kakhulu Mphemba ukuthi ithe kandlela kodwa sikufuna manje u-action namanye ama-province siyawa-encourage to do the same. Siyabonga kakhulu ngenza kwethu sicela ukuthi sihlangane sonke ngensizwa zakithi sibambe ngomthetho omdala kaMose Gauteng ngoLwesithathu ngo-8 ekuseni kwaMayimayi siyasuka sibheka sibheka eHebrew suke eHebrew sithi uVen sihlangane no-station commander kwakhona eHebrew sihlangane no-station commander kwakhona eUvel ney'nduna zakhona nazo zonke iy'nduna esasinazo kwi-Gauteng province zibe khona si-witness the history. We march for the change. We are not marching just to sweat.